Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going over the Harbor Freight 30% off all items 20 and under if you're inside Track Club, or if you're just a regular customer, 30% off of all items 10 and under. The one we are going to focus on is going to be the 30% off for the ITC Club, because that's the only way to go on this. And this is going on from June 26th to the 28th. And I'm going to show you what I look for when I look at these deals. So let's get started. Now, one of the first places I always go to right off the bat when they have these deals is Instant Savings, because these are a new low price. So these don't count as like a coupon or anything, so don't go against their rules on this. So we're going to scroll up here real quick and take a look at some stuff right here. Right off the bat, we have the Icon Magnetic Tool Mat. Right now it's 20% off for $19.99. With the 30% off, that's going to drop this down to $13.99. Only problem is, I don't know about your guys' store, but my store is always out of these. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, but they never have them in stock, so that really sucks on that. Now, another good deal we're going to be looking at here is going to be on these torque wrenches here. Right now, they're $14.99 on sale, but if you take the 30% off on those, because they're under 20 bucks, you're looking at $10.49 on those. That is a great deal. Now, another deal here that's pretty good right now on the Instant Savings, if you like these Hardy black work gloves, these are $3.99, 38% off right now. You take the extra 30% off on these, they're going to be $2.79. Another good one on here is going to be these Grant's Mechanic Shop Towels. These are $9.99, 33% off, and you take an extra 30% off, that drops them to $6.99. Another good one on here is the metal 50 cal ammo can, $13.99, 30% off for Instant Savings. Take another 30% off of that, and you're looking at $9.79. Now we got two deals right here that are $11.99. We got the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 drive, high visibility deep sockets, and the 10mm Essentials kit. These are both $11.99 minus the 30%. You're looking at $8.39, which is a lot better than that 14% off that they have just on this Instant Savings. Next one to look at here is going to be this Pittsburgh 4-ton Baldo jack for $19.99. Right now it's 33% off. You take off another 30% off, you're looking at $13.99. Another one in here would be this Pittsburgh half-inch drive extendable ratchet, $19.99, 13% off. You take another 30% off of that, you're looking at $13.99. Another one I would snag up here would be the Bauer 2.2 amp orbital quarter sheet sander. Once again, that is $19.99 on sale right now for 20% off. Take another 30% off and you got $13.99. Now, after Instant Savings, the next place I like looking is Icon, because Icon does have some stuff under $20, and I love Icon stuff because it's got a lifetime replacement. First thing we got here is the professional 10mm socket set, 4-piece, for $9.99. Sales price on that to be $6.99. Now, if you were lucky like me and you snagged this as a free gift, kudos to you, but if you missed it, now might be the time to pick this up when it's $6.99. Then we got the professional scraper. This is going to be $13.99. Sales price on this will be $9.79. I've picked this up. I haven't got a chance to use it yet, so I don't know to tell you guys if it's any good or not, but now is a good time to get it with the 30% off. And then finishing off this row, we got the professional mini screwdriver set. This is a 4-piece for $14.99. Sales price on this will be $10.49. Starting off this row, we have the professional mini torque screwdriver set, 4-piece. Once again, it's $14.99. Sales price on that will be $10.49. Now I'm going to skip over these ratchets because these are the G1s and it looks like a lot of places are out of them. So I'm not going to go over that, so we're going to move over to the next one. Next up here, we have the professional socket adapter set, 4-piece for $16.99. Sales price on this is going to be $11.89. Once again, I picked this up as a free gift, but if you missed that deal, now's the time to get it. Now, once again, in this row, I'm going to skip the ratchets here. We already went over the mat. So next up here, we got a 3/8 drive professional Torx bit set. This is a 7-piece for $19.99. Sales price on that will be $13.99. Starting off this row, we got the 8-inch hose grip pliers for $19.99. Sales price on these will be $13.99. I do have these. I have used them. I haven't done a video on them yet, but I use these to change the fuel filter on my golf cart, and they worked really well for that, and I picked them up the last time they did a deal like this. Next up here, we have the 12-inch S-Jaw quick adjusting plier wrench set, or wrench. This is going to be $19.99 also, so it's going to be $13.99 sales price. I picked this up also on the last sale they did like this, but I haven't had a chance to use it yet. And then to finish off the icons, we got the 10-inch by 1/2-inch drive, speed collar, impact extension bar. This is a new lower price, so this sale should work on this. It's $19.99, saving you 9%, but with the 13% off on that, or 30% off, sorry, it's going to be $13.99. All right, the next area I like going is Quinn. Now, Quinn has a lot more stuff than Icon, so I am not going to give you the sales price on all this stuff. We're just going to go over what Quinn has, and we're going to go up to $20. But this first row, you can see here, we got razors, we've got scrapers, we've got screwdriver set, more scrapers. You can see scissor set, all kinds of different stuff here. Right here, we got the comfort grip pliers. Those are very nice on those, nice and comfortable. We'll keep scrolling here just to show you all the different things. You got side cuts here, multi-bit screwdrivers. You've got the adjustable, self-adjusting pliers here. I have the 7 and 10-inch in these. Absolutely love them. I also have this 8-inch pistol grip long nose pliers. I use that for pulling fuses out of fuse blocks to check fuses. All these different scissors. We got pry bars here, very nice. Let's go to page 2 and see what they have. Now this is another great thing here. You got sockets from Quinn that are under 20 bucks. Very nice on those. You got those snap ring pliers right here. We'll keep scrolling. We got even more sockets. Precision screwdriver set that's under 20. Very nice. This, I've heard a lot of people say they like this diamond tip screwdriver set. And look at that, $16.99, 30% off of that. That right there is a smoking deal. You got the single hand riveter. Not a bad deal on that. And it looks like the last thing we got under 20 is going to be the wire strippers or the 1/4-inch low profile seal head ratchet that has the grip on it. Very nice. Now let's check out the next thing. All right, now the next place I go is right to the Doyle. And on the Doyle, you can see we got all different pliers here. We got the magnetizer, demagnetizer. They've got the razor blades. These are very nice utility knives. I've got this one right here, really like it. I need to get a video done on that. You got the demolition screwdriver set here. All different kinds of screwdrivers. You got the rafter square, flush kit, or precision flush cutters. All kinds of different stuff from Doyle too. That's very nice. The folding jab saw. Right here, you've got the voltage tester, more pliers, adjustable wrenches. Doyle has all kinds of stuff that is under $20 here. Adjustable wrenches. Man, we got the snippers here, diagonal cuts. All kinds of great stuff here. Heavy duty end nippers. You got some hammers, very nice, that are under there. Let's go to page 2. See if there's any more under 20 from them. Now we're on the second page here, and you can see we got more hammers, more pliers. They've got a ton of pliers under 20. They've got the conduit level, and then the very last thing they got is the 14-inch end nippers here at $19.99. A lot of stuff on there. Now the next one I like coming to is Bauer, because Bauer has a lot of consumables that are under $20. Just like these metal grinding wheels here, the oscillating multi-tool stuff. This one is on clearance, so you wouldn't be able to do that, but they got drill bits. They got the keychain tape, all kinds of different sandpapers and drill bits. You can get all these consumables from Bauer that are going to be under $20. You've got the circular saw blades. I mean, they just got a ton of different things that is very useful. That if you guys need to stock up on consumables, look at the Bauer. This has 11 pages. I'm sure it's going to take me a hot minute to get through all these that are under $20 just because Bauer has that much. Now that page 2 came up, I mean, look at all this different stuff from Bauer that is under $20. I'm just going to slowly scroll through it. You got all their tape measures. I mean, all their different cutoff wheels. You got saw blades. They got everything here that is under $20. And you can get up to 5 items when you do this deal. So, like, if you need consumables, this is the time to stock up on it. I'm going to see what else we got here on page 3. All right, we got some more consumables here that would work. Got a light right here that's 20 volt. that could work out for you very well. I mean, they've just got a ton of things. You got bandsaw blades, you got the jigsaw blade set, bags. Well, this bag you probably would have to do the $14.99. You wouldn't be able to do it off of that because that's an ITC deal. Sorry. Air filters for the vacuum. They just got a ton of stuff. You got the work light here. That's a tool only if you're into their 20 volt system again. Got more saw blades here. That charger's on clearance, so that wouldn't work. But this is where you want to watch it when we get close to that $20 range. This instant savings we already went over, but if you wanted this cordless screwdriver, that's under 20 bucks. Drill bit set under 20. Got all these different blades. I mean, you can just get a ton of stuff. And this is the nice thing with Bauer. You can get these tools here that are tool only. Just like you got the orbital polisher buffer here. They should have a couple more, yeah, right here that are under 20. You got the hot glue gun, the corner detail sander. They got a bunch of great things under 20 bucks. Now this one I just wanted to show you real quick. We went over the Bauer consumables. Hercules is the same way. I'm not going to go through a lot of the Hercules because there's a lot of the same stuff. But all kinds of consumables and stuff like that from Hercules is also going to be under $20. I just want to give you guys demonstrations of what to look for. Once again, I am not going to go through all these. Now another one to look up. I almost forgot about this one, but that's why I threw it in at the end here. US General, you got the magnetic tool holders. You got the parts holders here that are magnetic. You got the mesh liner, different organizers. You got the hooks. These I think will be, yeah, okay, these were recently on sale. That's the regular price on that. So you could take the 30% off of that. I mean, they have so much different things. You got these flexible parts trays, all kinds of different organizers from US General, all the magnetic stuff to put on your tool carts and toolboxes, all these magnetic trays. You can get smoking deals on this. Socket organizers, if you like this style. I really don't. I prefer stuff off of Amazon on these, but we got more magnetic stuff for the tool chest and carts on there. The pliers racks. I mean, there is a lot of nice things in here for US General. This right here, this tray right here that folds out, I have this on my 5 drawer. Absolutely love it. Use it all the time. 30% off of that. Let's see if there's anything on the second page worth looking at. All right, the only thing they have on the second page that's under 20 is another one of these socket set holders. So now I'm going to show you the two things that I'm going to get that a lot of people probably don't think about getting at Harbor Freight. Now, the one thing I'm looking at getting here, just because it seems like I'm always cleaning our headlights, and headlight cleaning kits are not cheap. So I want to try out this Pittsburgh lens renewal system. It does come, let me go back to the picture here. It does come with its own polish. But what I'm mainly looking for is all the different sandpapers and stuff like that. It's $13.99 with 30% off on that. That's going to be nice. Now, normally I use Mother's, and I have a ton of the polish, but what happens is you get the bottle of polish, you have a lot of polish, but you go through the sanding disc and everything. So I'm looking at picking up this kit just for that reason, and if it works halfway decent, if I can get 2 cars out of it using it, I'll be happy for that price. And there's one other thing I want to check out that some people might like this, and other people are probably going to say there's another product cheaper to use, but I'm going to show you guys it anyways. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys is this lubricant suction gun from Pittsburgh. It's $13.99 also. Now, the reason why I want this is some people might disagree with me on this, but this is how I do it. I got 2 cars that I got to do a power steering fluid flush on. So this I could just stick right down in the reservoir, suck the fluid out, pour a little bit more of the new fluid in there, and then run it for a little bit, and that'll get all the dirty stuff out. And I just repeat that a couple of times until I get fresh fluid in there. And for the $13.99 with the 30% off, to me, that is a great deal. So I'm going to pick that up also. So there you have it, the 30% off of $20 and under from Harbor Freight coming up June 26th and 28th. I show you guys some of the stuff that I look for. I'm sure there's stuff that you guys look for. Leave comments down below so everybody else can read the comments and say, hey, I didn't think of that, and give everybody ideas, because we're all in this together to save some money, and I love talking to you guys down in the comments. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. That stuff helps me buy some of these tools to do review videos for you guys on. Also, some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.